Do you know what an expert witness response is? You don't? Come join me, I'll share it with you. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. In today's video, I want to share with you what an expert witness response is. As a medical malpractice case gets closer to trial, we are obligated to provide the defense with a list of those experts that we intend on bringing into court. Now, we are not required to provide the names of those experts, but we have to provide the credentials of where the doctor went to school, where they did their residency, their training, and where they currently are working. And then we have to provide them with the substance of what that expert's going to be talking about and the basis for which they're forming their conclusions. And that's critical. Now, the defense, as soon as they retain their experts, they have to do the same thing to us. They have to provide us with written notice of the fact that they have retained a medical expert. Now they have to tell us what the doctor's credentials are and the substance for their testimony and the basis for those conclusions. Now, why is that done? It's done so that neither side is ambushed, so that neither side can claim surprise at the time of trial. And the other reason why this is provided is so that the attorneys have an opportunity to begin to do research to try and identify who the experts are. You see, in New York, we are not required to identify and give the name of the actual expert. The defense has to now go ahead and start investigating, and with today's searchability, with our ability to go online and do great searches, it now becomes very simple and easy to actually identify the name of the expert who's going to come in. So why is that important? It's important because now each side has an opportunity to try and dig up information on the expert who's going to come in and testify to use at cross-examination. Maybe they've testified in other cases before. Maybe they've said something or done something in their past that we can now dig up. So that's critical, and it's important to get that information before trial. Why do I tell you this? I tell you this because chances are you're contemplating bringing a case and you want more information about how these types of cases work in New York. I've just given you one tidbit of information about one of the components that occurs during the trial process or the legal process leading up to trial. And if you have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. This is what I do every single day. I welcome your call. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at lawmed10@yahoo.com. I'm Gerry Oginski here in New York. Thanks for watching.